So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number, type HP OfficeJet and 250 all in one. So you can see this is your printer. Choose your operating system if you are using different Windows 10, 11, 8.17 server. So printer driver installations process same, you just click to update, then you can see your operating system supported driver. So this is the firmware. So you just firmware, just click to download and then install you can see the firmware. This is actual driver. Okay, scanners driver and printer driver. Just to download, wait few seconds, it will now this is start for downloading. Just download it, single click this file. Now this is extracting data to your system. Then click to yes, continue, next. I accept services and accept agreement setting, next, no, next, next. Now this is installing the printer drivers to your system. 2 of 1, so 1 is completed after start second. So you can see guys, there are two type you can printer connections. So one of the manual and automatic. So already if you know very well about your printer IPs and which system to connect it, so you can select the manual. Other if you don't know, so select this setup and then next. Now this is check and network to environment and finding the printer. Okay, then after restart printer and system also.